So feet to the mat. Rising up. Now this time we're lowering down halfway and then squeeze the buttocks back up. So we'll do 8 of those. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're either holding here or lowering back down, having a rest. If you lower down, rise back up, and we're doing another 8. Lower slightly, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay up or lower down. Do rest if you feel the back uncomfortable at all. And if you're joining me for the last one, rising up and then lowering. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. How's those butt cheeks? 2, 1. Stay there or lower down and releasing. Good. Okay, rolling onto the side of the body. Release your strap. If you've got your strap, you can take it perhaps around that top foot. You don't need it there, but if you want to make this easier, and draw the leg back, creating a stretch through the front of the leg. You can guide the foot away from the buttocks as well. And maybe just glide those hips forward by squeezing the buttocks. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And releasing, coming across the other side. Use the strap if you need to. If you don't, you could just take hold of the foot. Take hold of the ankle, draw the leg back. Heel comes away from the buttocks. Squeeze the buttocks to deepen the stretch. Gently glide the hips forward. Breathe into any areas which feel restricted for you. Make sure the knee feels okay. If you need to, you could have the legs straight. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And releasing. Coming on to the back of the body. Let's take hold of our strap around the right foot and extend the right leg up to the sky. Or it might be further away, depending on your flexibility. Flex through the ankle. And then ever so slightly, bring the right foot to the left, properly above the left knee, and then draw the leg in. So toward the left shoulder, to create a deeper stretch through the back of the leg, and perhaps also just twist through the right ankle so the right toes come to the left a little. And then releasing. Switching sides. If you haven't got the strap, if you don't want the strap, you could just have your hand behind the leg if you prefer. Breathing, flex through the foot. And then draw the leg over to the right slightly, just above that right knee. And then maybe draw the leg closer to the right shoulder. And then allow the left foot to twist slightly to the right. Breathing in and breathing out. We're breathing in and breathing out. Good, and releasing. Release the strap and release the left foot just above the right knee. Flex through the foot. Stay as you are, or lift the right foot off the floor. Right hand to the inner right leg, left hand guiding the knee away. Keep the right foot where it is, or you can lift it up slightly for a deeper stretch. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in. Excuse me. And breathing out. Releasing, switching legs. Right foot above the left knee. Stay there or lift the left foot off. Left hand to the inner left leg, right hand guiding the right knee away. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Good, and releasing both feet to the floor, knees together, ankles together, arms out into a T position, or interlace the hands behind the back of the neck. Allow the elbows to open up, out to the side, then dropping your knees to the left and gaze to the right. For a deeper stretch, bend your knees closer to your left elbow, less of a stretch, feet toward the end of the mat. Imagine the breath as you breathe in, flowing up the spine, and as you breathe out, flowing back down the spine. Imagine this breath perhaps as a healing light, coming in and going out. And then draw the stomach in with control, knees back to center, knees to the right, gaze to the left. Adjusting as needed by drawing the knees in closer or the feet further away. And imagine that you can breathe up and down your spine. Breath flowing in and breath flowing out. Breath flowing in and breath flowing out. And with control, coming back to center, extending one leg, extend the other. Now, if you feel your back's being a little twingy, just bend the knees for the moment, rather than have the legs extended. And then interlace your hands, press the hands away from you, so up toward the sky above your chest, and then reach the arms over the head. So sometimes if your back's been a bit twingy with the arms over the head and the legs straight, it can be too much for you. If you want to sort of try it, you could have one knee bent and then perhaps extend one leg out, see how that feels, and then switching, or maybe just keep the knees bent. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And then gently releasing and finding a comfortable relaxation position. Putting on any extra layers. And allowing the eyes to close.